Hi guys, you are here today with the first video on our channel. This video is going to talk about the simple keyboard shortcut key that is easy to work with when you are working on a computer. You can stay connected with our channel, subscribe, like and share. So now we start this video.
Ctrl+B. Bold the selected part and remove the bold attribute from the bold part. Ctrl+I. Italicize a selected partition and remove the italic attribute of the italicized partition. Ctrl+U. To underline a selected partition and to remove the underline attribute of the underlined partition. Ctrl+V. Paste the cut or copied part. Ctrl+Z. Undo. To undo the modified last step, Ctrl+Y, redo. To proceed to the modified final step, Ctrl+N. To get a new page. To open a document, Ctrl+S, save as. To select the replacement command, Ctrl+P. To view the print preview, Ctrl+A. To select everything in the document, Ctrl+F. To search for a selected word, Ctrl+H. To execute the replace command, Ctrl+G. Select the go to command, Ctrl+Shift+ to reduce the font size, Ctrl+Shift+ to increase the font size, Ctrl+Q to remove all formatting per paragraph, Ctrl+C to copy the selected partition, Ctrl+X. Cut the selected part.